This Google Ads video goes over how to add topic targeting to your Google Ads campaigns. It's important to add topic targeting to your campaigns before third-party cookie tracking goes away. So what you want to do is be on ads.google.com. Make sure you are either on your campaign overview or you have a specific campaign that you want to add the targeting to selected. And you can find the content section right here. So make sure you click into that. Then you want to click Edit Content. If you were at the Overview option of the campaigns, then select the campaign that you would like to add it to and the ad group you would like to add it to. Next, you want to click on the drop down for topics. You can search by what you want to target, or you can browse the options and then select what you want to add. You can see more detailed targeting options if you click the drop down. So you would just check off the boxes of what you want to target. It will show available impressions on the side as you add more things. If you want to remove one of them, just click the X. When you're all done, you would click Save. Something about topics is that whatever targeting you select, your ads will show on websites related to those topics. So just make sure you add many topics so that your ads will still show when third-party cookie tracking goes away. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.